Hi, Jared Lawrence, Forms Product Manager, here once again to show you just how easy Quik is to use. Today we're going to talk about using the Field Mapping tool. It's a tool that allows you to customize the mappings between your CRM and Quik. Now, this feature does work for all CRMs, however, we really recommend just using it around Salesforce as there's a lot more customization there. Let me show you how it works. As you can tell, I'm on the CRMs and Data Sources option on the left side panel. I have all my CRMs here listed, but as I mentioned, Salesforce is the main one that you're going to want to customize. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one. So I'll select Map. Now it's going to load up all the fields that are in Salesforce along with all the fields that we have in Quik. And so you'll see the source field name. These are the field names coming from Salesforce. The sample data is a contact that I have within Salesforce. The mapping column are any existing mappings we already have in place. So as you can see, the account facts field from Salesforce is already coming to the office facts here at Quik. And then the last column is the Quik field name, where you can search up field names in Quik and assign them anywhere you want to match and pre-fill based on the data coming from Salesforce. Now let's do a little test here. I'm going to take first name and I'm going to drag it down here to account name. So now the account name coming from Salesforce, which for our test example will be Ben Partner Test, is going to pre-fill the first name once we generate a form. Now before we do that, let me just talk about a little bit of the options at the top. Reset mapping is pretty much what it sounds like. It will reset the mapping to the default mapping. If you hit Save Template, it'll allow you to save the name of the template that you want. And you can come back and use this later if you're setting up multiple integrations with Salesforce. Once I've done that, I hit save. Now, if I was loading a new template, I'd just go to load template. I would select the Salesforce one, hit load, and then that mapping would be in there. And then once you've completed it, you're going to hit update mapping. It's going to ask you to confirm. And once you've confirmed, that new mapping is now in place. Now let's go see it in action. I'm going to search for a form real quick. I'll search an application that I know of. We're going to add in people. Now I'm going to use the same person, Ben Partner Test, but just keep in mind that any mapping changes you made in the field mapping tool will be for all contacts, not just the one that was selected at the time. So I'll select Ben. I'm going to make him owner 1. I'm going to go to finalize. We're going to generate the form. Now if I scroll down on the form, you'll see that the first name was now filled out with Ben Partner Test. Feel free to play around with the field mapping tool to really customize it exactly how you'd like. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@quikforms.com or use our chat feature within the app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.